I didn't realize it was backwards and Easter nugget.
Hell yeah.
I'm talking about record size nugget. Joe got that deep crevice gold.
That shiny. Well, we use the high banker.
All right, guys, here we go. Final cleanup from that hole right there. All right, Joe, show us what we got. Ooh, look at that. Look at that gold. Look at the gold. Man, we did good. Joe, you killed it, man.
Yeah, we did.
You got all that gold. Joe got that deep crevice gold.
That shiny. Well, we use the high banker, so. Oh my goodness, that's pretty.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good day. All right, guys. Look at that hole right there. We got this big hole right here. All those rocks that we cleaned out, and Joe got all the gold out. Let's go.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Woohoo!